At Pason, our hardworking field employees bring their passion to work. Our field technicians are energetic, personable, and self-motivated individuals. They work hard, and our organization provides the support they need to excel. With excellent benefits, second-to-none culture, and extensive training, Pason sets you up for success. So whether you're coming in with no oilfield experience or decades of knowledge, you have the support of the whole organization behind you. Pason is a leading energy services and technology company. We install unique hardware equipped with state-of-the-art technology on rigs that enhance the drilling life cycle, capturing drilling data from the rig and transmitting it straight to the office. Providing exceptional customer service is what Pason is known for, and field technicians are critical to our organization's success. They work the front line installing equipment, troubleshooting issues, and training rig crews on Pason's new and upgraded products. In addition, field techs are innovative thinkers who can assess and address where customers can use our equipment to their advantage, all while building customer relationships. We empower our field techs to operate like small business owners within Pason. We hold our technicians to a high standard, expecting them to respond to the most critical call first. When you work for Pason, we have your back at work and in life, and the health of our Pasonites is of utmost importance to us. That is why we offer excellent medical, dental, and vision coverage for employees and their families, paid 100% by Pason. This is in addition to a competitive base salary and an extensive company-paid benefits package, which includes life insurance, long-term disability, an employee assistance program, and an employer contribution to a 401k.
Regarding the benefits, I definitely appreciate that Pason covers 100% of our benefits package regarding our health care. It allows me and my family to be taken care of and compensated even when I'm away from home for long stretches of time. And I think there's no better feeling than my family being able to, be taken care of in that manner, and I love it.
We'll be honest, there is a lot to learn, and it will take time to get the hang of it, but we teach you everything you need to know. If you're organized, entrepreneurial, and a self-starter, being a vital member of this great team will offer you the ultimate freedom.
So whenever you get hired on with Pason, you'll start out with 1 week in the office. It'll be like a classroom type training. From there, you'll come out to the field and you'll be with someone like me, a field trainer. And this is where you'll really learn, get a hands-on experience of what we do. So we'll be going over the fundamentals, laying a foundation. You'll be getting your hands dirty, and you'll be learning about all the products that we have, how to install them, how to maintain them, and how to troubleshoot.
New field techs can expect a thorough and in-depth training experience, both in the classroom and out in the field. We want to set you up for success and provide you with the tools to perform. Remember, this is training for a career, not just a job. In addition, we provide our field techs with all the necessary tools and equipment to maintain inventory, as well as a field service truck.
By lunchtime, we try to see where everybody's at for the day and then plan accordingly to get everybody in at a decent hour. And then we'll roll in and try to have dinner together. And so that's our day. And then we try to plan it every other week. We have at least one cookout to kind of group and bond together as a family, because we are.
Our field technicians are trained in a step-by-step process. In your first 90 days, you'll get a lay of the land, learn what's expected of you, and see what equipment you'll be working with. You'll be mentored by experienced field technicians who will provide product knowledge and help you learn the ropes.
So upon accepting a job at Pason, your first 90 days will be filled with some rigorous training, some early days, some late nights. After the 90 days, you become an intermediate field technician, at which time you're assigned your own rigs and you take on the responsibilities of a field technician.
These 90 days include several ride-alongs that will get you a first-hand look at what it means to be a Pason field tech.
Training doesn't stop at 90 days. You continuously learn throughout your career at Pason. The first year will be the toughest year as you're learning all of our products, learning how our customers utilize our equipment. and you're learning how the rigs actually drill a well.
Following your initial 90 days, you will complete a skills assessment to ensure you're prepared for the next stages of your training. Then, you'll progress through the remainder of your first year as a Pason field technician. With the tools and support Pason provides, you'll be confidently serving your customers and working independently in no time. Before you know it, you'll be the one lending support to incoming field techs. Pason's energized and focused work environment empowers each team member to push the envelope of traditional thinking to create new solutions to old problems. We focus on a culture that nurtures imagination in an atmosphere where people are free to perform to their fullest potential in an open and friendly environment. Working as a Pason field tech allows you to help others solve problems. This is a chance to really make a difference. It's hard work, but it is one of the most fulfilling jobs you will ever do.
We're doing it in the snow, we're doing it in the rain, we're doing it during the hurricanes. I mean, just because it rains, Pason never stops. What happens is we just continue on. You know what I mean? Things is gonna get dirty, things are gonna get hard, it's gonna get cold, it's gonna get hot. What we do is this is it.